I'm not gonna lie to you, right now, a lot of people are making it big in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. Day in, day out, people are cashing out. As we speak right now, this year, companies like Republic Bank has already done over 250%. SIC has already done over 300%. MTN, Goil, GCB, most of them, they are doing very well, perfectly in the Ghana Stock Exchange. Last year, companies like Stone Ghana Limited did 1,400%, GCB, EcoBank. And what that means is that if you invested 1,000 Ghana cedis at the beginning of the year in Stone, by the end of the year, you would have been holding over 14,000 Ghana cedis as profit. Charlie, this is very cool, and you don't really need to be a big man or a millionaire before you can start investing in the Ghana Stock Exchange. What you just need is just small money and a mobile phone in order to start. So follow me through. Let me introduce you to investing in the Ghana Stock Exchange market with a step-by-step process with just a mobile phone, with small amounts of money, consistency, and at the end of the day, you also make it out big in this particular market. My name is Hamdaway. If you are new here, please kindly consider to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit on the like button so that a lot of people can discover this video and also benefit from it. So what you have to do is for you to first have a mobile phone and go to Play Store or App Store and download any of these two apps. Let's go into it and let me demonstrate to you how you can use it to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange. So take your phone right now, go to that of Play Store or Apple App Store depending on the phone you are using. I also leave a link in the description. You can just follow it to direct you to download the app, right? So when you go to your Play Store or your Apple App Store, just search for ICWolf for the first app we are using, right? And when it comes, you see it like this, white with some dots on it. Just download the app, and once you are done downloading it, open, right? So when you open, as a first time user, I want you to sign up, and when you are done signing up, just log in into the app, right? So when you are done logging in, this is the interface. This is how you see the interface of the app. You see dashboard, liquidity, trade life, insights, right? The first dashboard is where you can actually see the total holdings, and also you can also use the IC liquidity fund to invest some amount of money as a mutual fund, right? But here our focus is on the trade life. So tap on the trade life, the second but last button, right? So when it comes at the top, you see tap here to create a CSD, right? So if you are new to this particular platform, what you have to do is for you to create a CSD account. The CSD account will enable you in order to trade in that of the Ghana Stock Exchange, right? This ICWolf that you've downloaded is a brokerage app, but the CSD is an account that holds all your investments. At the end of the day, it prevents you from losing your money to any broker or losing your money in any way or any other means, right? So let's create the CSD account. That is if you are a first-time user. So you just input your bank account. You can also use your mobile money as your bank account, right? They will ask you of your investment horizon. That means how long are you willing to hold your investment. You can just select. It's mostly like a formalities. Next thing, they will also ask you investment objectives. So just select the one. Either you are looking for income, if you are looking for growth, if you are looking for balance. Then they'll ask you investment knowledge. You can select if you are limited, fair, or good. Just select. And also the last one is your risk tolerance, right? And that what that means is that how do you react to that of risk? Are you somebody who is high when it comes to risk taking? Are you somebody who is low when it comes to risk taking? Just fill that. And the last thing you have to do is for you to actually sign and take a picture of your signature and upload it to that of the platform, right? So once you are done, the next thing for you to do is then to wait for at least 3 to 4 weeks, right? Within 3 to 4 weeks time, they will verify you, and once you are verified, you'll be enabled to buy shares in the Ghana Stock Exchange using ICWolf. So what you have to do next is for you to log in or go back to that of the trade life. For me, with this particular account, it's already having that of the CSD, so I'll use it to demonstrate to you how you can actually use it to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. The next thing to do is for you to come back to the platform and deposit some money, identify a stock, and from there you can buy any stock in the market, right? So what you have to do is for you to come and click on invest. So when you click on invest, you see at the top there, you see trade life, and also you see IC liquidity fund or any other portfolio that you want to invest in. But here I'll focus in that of trade life. So you just tap on the trade life button. Once it comes, go in and select your payment method in order to deposit the money in this particular platform. So go in. I'm going to use mobile money for us to actually demonstrate this particular process. The next thing to do is for you to demonstrate or put in the amount of money you want to deposit in this particular account. So And let's say we are using 100 Ghana cedis in order to deposit in this particular account. Next thing, select the number or the payment number you want to use, right? So once you are done, just submit. And when you submit, it will come, it will process it, and at the end of the day, you just approve your balance. And once you are done approving your balance, it will reflect in your account. Then you are good to go in order to actually buy shares. So you see that submitted, approved, right? So once it's approved, so once it reflects in your dashboard, from there you can choose any stock that you want to invest in. So let's say we are going to buy girl, right? So you just tap on girl, and once you tap on girl, and girl is Ghana oil. But before you buy any stock, make sure you do your due diligence, research into the stock, make sure you know what they are into, how they make their money, their leadership, and also if you look at their finances, are they making profit, are they making revenue, right? How are they increasing their margins, and all those kind of things, their financial position before you buy any stock. So now let's buy well. So you just click on buy, and once you input, Goil is currently trading at 8 cedis, right? So you should be able to get approximately like 10 or 12 shares, right? So let's make it like 12 shares, right? So once it comes, you see the amount of money will be there, 98 Ghana cedis, right? So the net consideration include that of the charges, the broker's fees, and all that, right? So when you are coming to buy any stock, you have to pay some brokerage fee, and also the market levy, that is the GST, and also the CSD levy, right? So you just place order, and you just swap it from left to that of right. So once that happens, it will take some time, and before the order will get executed. Usually, if you are lucky, within 1 day, 2 working days, you can get your order executed. Sometimes it will have to take like 3 or 4 days before your order get executed. As simple as ABCD. So once you come, you see that your order is there. You see the quantity that you've purchased or the quantity that you've put in order to buy, right? As simple as ABCD. So you wait, and before you realize, your order will start appreciating, right? So that is how it is when it comes to buying shares in that of the ICO. I have a masterclass coming up next month, and if you care, you can actually join us to learn more on how to invest in the stock market, which are the companies you should actually get into. We are going to look at the Ghana Stock Exchange, the US Stock Exchange, how to value a company to know whether it's overpriced, underpriced, or fairly priced, how to do an analysis on a company, right? And also many other things when it comes to investing in the stock market. You don't have to miss this particular class. You can actually join us to learn a lot. Another app you can also use to purchase shares is also Blackstar. So let's go into Blackstar. So just go and download the Blackstar from the Play Store or your Apple App Store, right? So once you are done, open Blackstar. So once you are done, you just verify, go through the processes and register. And once you register, it will take you like 72 hours before, or within 72 hours, your app will be able to start processing, right? So once it comes, you will need to deposit 100 Ghana cedis as an amount. You can do that through your bank app, or you can do that through that of your mobile money, right? So let me deposit another money so that we'll use it to buy shares in that of the Blackstar. So go to your wallet, and once you go to your wallet, so you see add cash. So once you see the add cash, just click on add cash. So when you click on add cash, you select the portfolio that you want to deposit the money into. You see wealth, growth, and also retirement. All those things you can actually input your deposit your money into it. So let's say we are depositing 100 Ghana cedis into that of the add cash or wealth growth, right? So you just click on continue. There is payment method. You can actually click on them, any app or maybe online payments. You can also use that. So proceed and click on add cash. So once it comes, they will require you to actually put in that of your mobile money pin. So you just, here it goes. I'll put in my Momo pin, and once it comes, I will just approve the transaction. As simple as ABCD. So I'll move ahead to click on confirm. So I'll confirm the payment, and you see that deposit successfully, right? So once it comes deposit successful, the next thing for me to do is then to move ahead and also use the money to buy stocks. So I'll go to invest. So once I go to invest, the next thing for me to do is now to sort out which stock I should buy, right? So you can just slide it. You see a bunch of icons there. Go to that of stocks, and when you go to the stocks, at the top right corner, you see global and also Ghana. Click on the Ghana and change it to that of Ghana. So once you change it to Ghana, you see all the Ghanaian stocks that are listed. So you just click on the one you want to buy. So here, let's come and buy SIC, right? So once it comes, just put in the amount of money you want to buy with SIC. Here you don't really need to put in the quantity. That is the difference here. So with the Blackstar tool, you don't need a CSD account to buy any share. They are using an omnibus system. With them, they are having a trust that all shares are being kept on. So if you buy share, you are a beneficiary. You are not a direct shareholder to that of the company. So let's put in, or let's select the portfolio and also put in the amount 100 Ghana cedis, then proceed. And once you are done, you just click on confirm order to proceed or to confirm your order. As simple as ABCD, we are confirming of our order, and our order is in queue. And once you go to the orders, you see that it's pending currently, and that is how you can also buy shares when it comes to using the Blackstar app. As simple as ABCD. If you want to actually start making money, the stock market is one thing you can actually look at in order to build generational wealth. And one thing you can do in order to make it very easy is for you to start by putting out at least 20% of your salary or your income, right? Each and every time that you make money, try and reserve at least 20%, or you can go by the richest man in Babylon, what he suggested, by at least leaving 1/10 of the salary or your earnings and put it in something that will yield an extra income for you. My name is Hamdaway. If you really like this video, please kindly consider to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit on the like button so that a lot of people will benefit from the good work you are doing here.